When you search for electric garage heaters, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to really find what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Dr. Infrared Heater Dr. 975. First up is the Dr. Infrared Heater Dr. 975, priced at around $240. This caught my eye with its impressive 7,500-watt heating power. If you want a reliable way to warm your garage quickly and effectively, this is worth a serious look. This heater is a heavy-duty, hardwired 240V unit that can efficiently heat up to 750 square feet. The remote-controlled thermostat allows you to set the temperature between 50 and 85 degrees, meaning you can easily adjust the warmth to your liking without getting out of your car, which is a real plus during those chilly winter mornings. It also features 5 adjustable louvers, letting you direct the airflow exactly where you need it. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky without the right wiring. Here's the thing though, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, you might want to hire a pro for installation. But once it's set up, this heater really delivers. This is perfect for you if you have a larger garage or workshop that needs consistent heat. Skip this one if you're looking for a portable option because this one is hardwired into your space. For the price, you get a powerful heater that can really make a difference in those colder months. Now, if the installation concern with the Dr. Infrared Heater bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, Comfort Zone 5000W Ceiling Heater. Next up, we have the Comfort Zone 5000W Ceiling Mounted Garage Heater, priced at about $107.94. This caught my attention because it's specifically designed for spaces where floor space is limited. If you're struggling to keep your garage warm without cluttering your floor, this is definitely worth considering. It has 3 heat settings, so you can easily adjust the temperature based on how cold it is outside. The robust steel construction means it can withstand the harsh conditions often found in garages, which is great if you don't have ideal insulation. Plus, the overheat protection adds an extra layer of safety. However, some users noted that the heat distribution isn't as wide-reaching as they expected. But here's the thing, if you strategically mount it where you spend the most time, it can still keep your space warm without any issues. This is perfect for you if you have a large space that needs efficient heating without taking up floor room. Skip this one if you want something that heats up a whole workshop quickly, as it may need a little time to reach optimal warmth. For the price, it's a solid choice that balances performance with space-saving design. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more heat output. Product number 3, Comfort Zone 5000W Hardwired Heater. Now let's check out another option from Comfort Zone, their hardwired ceiling mount garage space heater, priced at around $106.67. This one really stood out for its efficiency and safety features. If you're looking for something dependable that won't let you down, you should definitely look into this. This heater also features a ceiling-mounted design and fan-forced heating. It boasts similar specs to the previous Comfort Zone model, but comes with some additional safety features like a thermal cutout switch. This means if it gets too hot, it will automatically shut off, giving you peace of mind. Plus, the adjustable louvers let you direct heat where it's needed most, enhancing its effectiveness, especially in larger spaces. However, it's worth mentioning that some users have expressed concerns about the noise level during operation. While it does produce some sound, it's not excessive for a heater of this type. If you're sensitive to noise, that might be a slight drawback. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable heater with great safety features. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-quiet operation because it does have some noise. For the price, it offers solid performance and added safety. Now, if sound is a concern for you, the next product brings a whole new level of convenience. Product number 4, Comfort Zone Hardwired Remote Heater. Moving on, we have the Comfort Zone Hardwired Ceiling Mount Garage Space Heater with remote, priced at about $154.97. This one caught my attention because it combines powerful heating with remote convenience. If you're looking for comfort without the hassle of constant adjustments, take a look at this one. This model delivers a solid 7,500 watts of heat, capable of warming up to 1,250 square feet, making it ideal for larger garages or workshops. The digital thermostat allows for precise temperature adjustments, and the remote control means you can change settings without getting up. This is huge for those cold mornings when you want to control your environment from the comfort of your car. One downside some users reported is that the installation can take some time, especially if you're not familiar with electrical work. But once it's installed, most agree that it's well worth the effort for the convenience it provides. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful heater with remote control for easy adjustments. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with hardwired installations, as it can be tricky. For the price, you're getting a lot of features that make heating your workspace a breeze. Now, if the installation worries you, the last product is a little different but offers high power. Product number 5, NewAir Heavy Duty Garage Heater. Finally, we have the NewAir hardwired electric garage heater, which packs a punch at 10,000 watts. While the price isn't listed here, it's competitive in the market. This one caught my eye because of its warm capacity for larger spaces. If you have a big garage or workspace, this is a solid contender. This heater is designed to heat areas up to 1,605 square feet, making it perfect for oversized garages or commercial job sites. The dual power settings allow you to operate it at either 7,500 or 10,000 watts, providing flexibility based on your heating needs. With its remote control, you have the convenience of adjusting the settings from anywhere in the workspace, which is great for busy environments. However, some customers have mentioned that it's a bit bulky, which can be a concern for some. But for larger spaces, that bulk means better heat distribution and coverage, so it's a trade-off worth considering if you need strong heating. This is perfect for you if you have a large garage or workshop that needs effective heating. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and portable, as it requires a more permanent installation. For the performance it offers, it's a solid investment for those needing serious heat. So to recap, the Dr. Infrared Heater is great for its quick heating. The Comfort Zone 5000W ceiling heater is ideal for saving floor space. The Comfort Zone hardwired heater offers safety features. The Comfort Zone remote heater is all about convenience, and the NewAir heater is perfect for larger spaces needing high output. Each of these has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Stay warm this winter.